all the kids. Once again, welcome to the YouTube channel of ODA Class. So I'm your teacher Srishti Mahajan over here. So today we are going to learn something new, and it is the very important topic which belongs to grade 5 and grade 6. We are going to learn distributive property. So I hope you all are very excited to learn this property with your teacher, and I hope that you all have one amazing session with your teacher. So, kids, first of all, if you want to learn more properties, more Vedic matrix with your teacher, so make sure that you all are joining our live learning application, which is ODA Class. You all can install our application from the Play Store and be the part of our team, and where you can learn much more from the IIT teachers who are very well experienced, and you will have all new exposure by learning with them in most innovative way ever. So kids, we are coming up with a 1 week long program, which is the crash course. So in the crash course, you will be having a 1 week period of time where we will be offering you three maths and three science sessions. Along with that, you all will be getting the personal teacher support, and also we will be providing homework on the app as well as the test. Now, why these homework and test are provided during this 1 week long program? So that we can analyze that how much you are able to learn in our 1 week long program. Also, we can know that how much you are able to retain from our classes. On the basis of that, we will be preparing one progress report for you all. That will be presented during the parents teacher meeting. In our 1 week long program, we do provide parents teacher meeting because parents do deserve to know that where their kids lie in a particular class, correct? So we will be, having the parents teacher meeting as well, where the parents can directly interact with the master teacher, and the master teacher will be discussing about your child's progress. Along with that, ebooks will be provided to you on the app itself. So you can download that material and study by yourself at home, and practice what all is taught during that 1 week long program. So kids, if you all like the course features, so you all can enroll in our 1 week long crash course program at the price of rupees 29, 49 or 99. So the price for the course will be valid if you click on the link in the description box, and you can get yourself enrolled. Now kids, I would like to introduce myself to all of you all. So I'm your teacher Srishti Mahajan, and over here I would like to tell you about from where I have studied. I've studied from the Oxford College of Education. I've done my M.Ed from there. Besides that, I'm master teacher mathematics and I'm Vedic math expert. So you all can trust on me for your mathematics subject. I have more than 3 years of teaching experience, during which I have mentored 30,000 plus kids. So kids, I hope you all are ready for today's session. So we are going to learn the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So first of all, as you all can see over here, we have 2 times 10 is equivalent to 20, correct? So 2 times 10 is 20. So over here, kids, I can write 10 as 6 plus 4, correct? Can you see that I have broken down 10 as 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is also 10. Kids, don't get confused at all because it's a long session. We are together and I will be explaining everything bit by bit. Okay? So now, kids, see over here, I have opened the brackets. I multiplied 2 with 4 and then 2 again by 6, which is resulted here. 2 times 4 and 2 times 6, and I just copied the plus sign. Now, the result every time is same. 2 times 10 is 20. When I break down 10 as 6 plus 4, so 6 plus 4 is also 10, correct? So then again, if I multiply 10 by 2, I get 20 only. And when I break it apart more, when I distribute it more, again same answer results, which is 20 only. So everybody, now I will tell you that what is distributive property. So kids, basically, distributive property is used to open up the brackets, just like you saw here in the example. You saw, right? I opened the brackets, so I distributed my digits in the different parts so that I can solve the question in more easier manner. Okay? Now, so I hope you all understood it well, that what is distributive property. So kids, distributive property is basically opening up the brackets. So see over here. Here we have the example 2 times 4 plus 6 is equal to 20, right? Now, how do we open the bracket? So see here carefully, all of you. I want you all to observe. First, when I open the bracket, so this multiplication sign indicates that 2 is being multiplied by 4 as well as 6. 2 4 से भी multiply हो रहा है and 6 से भी multiply हो रहा है. So how will you open the bracket? You will write down 2 times 4. After that, you will put the addition sign. Now you will write down 2 times 6. So did you all see that how I opened the bracket? I wrote 2 times 4. As I mentioned at the start itself, that when we are opening the bracket, this multiplication sign indicates that this 2 is being multiplied by 4 and 6 both. So I multiply 2 by 4 and then by 6. So let us see it again. Okay, so I open the bracket, I write 2 times 4. All right, now see here. I open the bracket more. Now I multiply 2 by 6. Now I will put the plus sign in between. I hope I'm very much clear to all of you all. Great. So now what answer will I get? 2 times 4 is 8, correct? And 2 times 6 is 12. When I add them together, again I get 20 only as the answer. So why we are learning distributive property? Because when there are bit larger sums, so when we distribute the numbers, so it becomes easy to multiply and add them. Okay, this was one of the example of it. I hope the example is clear to all of you all. Yes? Yes? I hope it's clear. So kids, in distributive property, basically the multiplication distributes over the addition. As we saw, okay, in distributive property, the multiplication distributes over addition only, okay? Then we'll be seeing few examples of subtraction as well. Then I will also tell you all that what are the do's and don'ts of this property. So let us move ahead and see one example of the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So kids, over here, I have 12 times 23. So whenever I have to break a number, I'll try that I get maximum tens. What I get? I get maximum of tens. So to make my question easier, what do you think? Which number should I break apart? Which number should I expand? Yes. So for me, I will be choosing 12. I'll be breaking down 12. How can I write down 12? I can write down 12 as 10 plus 2. Correct? This is 12 only. Correct? Now this 10 plus 2 is being multiplied by 23. Correct? Otherwise, 12 times 23 is bit difficult to multiply. Correct? But now it will become very easy to multiply 12 and 23. So firstly, as I told you, what is distributive property? That we have to open up the brackets. So I will open up. I will first multiply 23 by 10. So I get 23 times 10. Okay. Now I will multiply 23 by 2. Now I will just copy down my addition sign. So now multiplication by tens is very easy. You have to simply pick up the main number, which is 23. I will write down 23 here and just write down 10 with it. And it's done. Now, I will copy down my addition sign. What is 23 times 2? It is 46. Okay. Now just add both of them. You will get your final answer. So I will start adding from one side. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. And below 2 I have nothing. So my answer is done. I added it horizontally. We can see it vertically as well. If I want to add 230 and 46, so it will go like this, correct? So 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 2 over here. And it's done. So I hope kids, you all understood the distributive property really well. Give me a 1 if you all understood it. Really great, everybody. Now, why this property is important? First of all, it will help you to multiply the numbers superbly fast by distributing, because since the numbers are broken down, you can do it very fast mentally as well. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time that you are multiplying, and it will consume a lot of time during your examination. And also, these properties are very important for 5th and 6th grade. You will be finding these types of questions in your half yearlies, maybe as well as in your final exams as well. So now, once you learn these properties, you can easily apply them in your examination, as well as, in word problems also. So if you are learning this with me right now, it is going to help you all a lot. So now with this, let's move to the next example. Those who all have understood, they all can participate with me and solve the question. Now, as I told, it is very important to decide that which number you should expand. So over here, what do you think? Which number should we expand? 45 times 101. Which number you will expand? It will become more easy for you to solve the question. Yes, correct. So we will be expanding 101 over here. So let us see now how we are going to do this question now. So I will be writing the number 101 as 100 plus 1. I will write it as 100 plus 1. Okay. Now, this 101 I have written as 100 plus 1. So I will be multiplying this 100 plus 1 by the number 45. I multiplied it by number 45. Okay. As we know, what is the benefit of this property? That this property helps us to open up the brackets. So now it's time to open the brackets now. So let us open the brackets, everybody. I will be multiplying 45 into 100. So I get this. Now I will copy down the addition sign. Now I will be multiplying 45 by 1. Okay. Firstly, I multiplied 45 by 100. Then I multiplied 45 by 1. So I get 4500 plus 45. Now I have to add it. So the final answer will be 4545. And the answer is done. So kids, now I hope that you all are understanding this property, and you understand that why learning this property is very important, that you multiplied this question so fast. All right, now let's try the another one. Now we have to do 13 times 603. So again, we have to think that which number we are supposed to distribute over here. Okay, so let us see that which number we will be distributing. So for me, I will be distributing 13. I will be writing 13 as 10 plus 3. As I told you, in distributive property, it is very important that you get maximum of the zeros. Maximum the zeros, easier your answer becomes and easier it becomes to solve the question. So now multiply it by 603. Okay. So multiplying 603 by 10 plus 3. So what do we get? We get 6030. Okay. Now addition sign. What is, okay, wait, I will write more steps over here. So yes. Firstly, we will be multiplying 603 by 10. Now we will write the addition sign, and now we will multiply 603 by 3. Okay, so multiplying 603 by 10 is 6030. Okay, plus 603 times 3. So what do we get over here? 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 6 is 18. Now we are supposed to add 6030 plus 1809. As I told, we should always add from the ones place. So 9 plus 0 is 9, 3 plus 0 is 3, 0 plus 8 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7. And our answer is done superbly fast. If you don't know how to add horizontally, you can go for the vertical addition as well. It is absolutely fine. Okay? Now, kids, we will be moving to the next question. So I hope you all are ready to learn the next question with your teacher. Now we will be doing 17 times 552. Okay? 532. So over here, I will be distributing number 17. So if I distribute number 17, I get 10 plus 7. Okay? Now I will be multiplying it by 532. So what is 532 times 10? First I will multiply 532 by 10. Then I will multiply it by 7. So 532 times 10, and then add it and write 532 times 7. So over here, when I multiply 532 times 10, what do I get? I get 5320. Okay. Now multiply 532 by 7 from the ones place side. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Now we have to simply add it from ones place side. So when I add it, what answer do I get? So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 carry over to 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And my answer is done, 9044. Now kids, here let me tell you all one thing, that distributive property doesn't run only on addition, but it also runs on subtraction as well. So we can run the multiplication property over the addition as well as subtraction. So let us see few examples where we can distribute by using the subtraction property as well. So see over here, kids, I have 16 times 99. So over here, you all must be thinking that, ma'am, which number should we distribute? So when we started with this property, I told you what? That you have to think that you have to get maximum of zeros. So this time we will not write 16 as 10 plus 6 because we are learning multiplication property over subtraction. So I can write 99 as 100 minus 1 because 100 minus 1 is also 99, correct? So I will write down 99 as 100 minus 1. Now I will multiply it by 16. So how the property goes, you all know it very well, right? Rest of the steps are totally same. Just instead of addition, there would be subtraction. So 16 times 100 we will do. Then we will write down the subtraction sign. Now 16 times 1 will be there. Okay. So what is 16 times 100, everybody? So it will be 1600 minus 16 times 1 is 16. Now we have to simply subtract it. So we get over here 4. We get 8 over here. we get 5, and we get 1 here. So the final answer is 1584. You all can use the borrowing method. If not borrowing method, you all can watch my video on Nikhilam Sutra of Subtraction. Here I did the subtraction superbly fast by using the Nikhilam Sutra of Subtraction. So do watch my video, okay, of Nikhilam Sutra subtraction so that you can also subtract superbly fast. Okay, so now kids, it's time to move to the next example, which is 24 times 799. So as you all know that we need to get maximum of zeros. So how to get the maximum of zeros, everybody? You need to write 799 as 800 minus 1. And it becomes very easy to do it. So let's start with a question. And you can also write 24 as 30 minus 6. It's your choice, the way you feel convenient. So I'm doing it the way I feel convenient. You can use your way because mathematics is more about experimenting. And more you experiment, more better you learn. Okay? So over here, I will be writing 799 as 800 minus 1. So I write it as 800 minus 1. I will be multiplying it by 24. Okay. So firstly, I will be multiplying 24 by 800. After that, I will be multiplying 24 by 1. So what is 24 times 800? So 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 3 is 19. 19200 basically we get over here. Now you are supposed to subtract 24 times 1. So you get 24 here. So now again I will be using the Nikhilam Sutra of Subtraction. You can also watch my video. It's there on our channel itself. You have to just search Nikhilam Sutra of Subtraction by Srishti ma'am. You will find the video and do learn Nikhilam Sutra of Subtraction so that you can do it superbly fast. Okay. So over here, what answer do we get? I get over here 6, then we get 7, 1, 9, 1. And my answer is done in fraction of seconds. So kids, I hope you all are enjoying learning the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction with me. Yes? Okay, so that's really wonderful, everybody. Now let us move ahead and try the another question with me. All right. So now we are going to multiply 52 times 219. So now we need to think that how we are going to write this. Okay. So it is absolutely up to us that how we want to write it. Okay. So we can write it as 220 minus 1. Again, it will become very easy to do it. So let's try doing this question with your teacher. And you can also write it as 60 minus 8. It's absolutely your choice that how you want to do it. Okay. So let's get started. I will be writing as 220 minus 1. I write 219 as 220 minus 1 because in result I will be getting 219 only. Now I will be multiplying it by 52. So now kids, we have to multiply 52 by 220 first. Then I will be multiplying 52 by 1. Okay. So now let's get started. We can first multiply 52 by 22 to get our answer. So let us see that how do we get 52 times 22. All right. So we can multiply 52 times 22. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Now over here 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. So we get over here the answer as 1144. And now we will just simply put 10 over here. Then we will be subtracting 52 from it because 52 times 1 is 52 only. Okay. Now kids, you all can subtract it and tell me the answers in the chat box superbly fast. Hurry up. Start telling me the answer for this question in the chat box. Hurry up. What will be 11440 minus 52? Hurry up, kids. I want you all to participate with your teacher. So what answer do we get over here, kids? So here we get 11440 minus 52. So let's do it together. So over here, we get 10, this becomes 3, and this becomes 3, and we get 13 here. So 10 minus 2 is 8. And what will be 13 minus 5? We get 8 here. 3, 1, 1. So we get the answer as 11388. And our answer is absolutely done superbly fast. Yes, I hope I am clear to all of you all. Now, kids, I would like to tell you all that what are the do's and don'ts of this property. So please listen to your teacher very carefully. So when we talk about this property goes over addition and subtraction. Never ever do like this that you are multiplying A into B plus A into C. This is correct. Okay. All right. When we go like this, we are multiplying the first number by the first number of the bracket, then the second number of the bracket. This is absolutely fine. This is the correct way to do it, which we learned right now. I multiplied A with B, then I multiplied A with the C digit. Similarly, when we do it for subtraction, same method, multiplied by B, then multiplied by C. The difference is of sign only, rest all, it's all same. But what we are not supposed to do. So see over here, you don't have to do it like this. The bracket will not get opened if all the signs are of multiplication. The bracket will not distribute if the sign is of multiplication in between. Because when we multiply, we go like this. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times C is 6C. It will become absolutely wrong if you distribute the property like this. Okay? I'm mentioning it over again and again. Distributive property is over addition and subtraction. If the sign is of multiplication or even of division in between, the property is not valid at all. Your answer will go wrong. Okay? So when we talk about division also, so we follow board mass in that you will be opening up the brackets. Okay, so you will be dividing first and you will be multiplying. So it will become absolutely wrong if you follow distributive property in division as well. All right, so never ever try to do this. Okay, even if you have a division sign outside, like we did the property where we had multiplication, but here we have division sign, then also the bracket will not get opened. Your answer will become absolutely wrong. The property will not be valid. The property is valid only if the case is this. Only if the case is this, that you have a multiplication sign and the addition sign or a minus sign in between. Okay. So now, kids, I hope you all enjoyed learning these properties with your teacher. Yes, I hope you all liked. So, kids, if you want to learn more such exam-ready tricks and exam-ready topics, so do come and join our 1 week-long program, which is the Concept Crash Course. So this course is going to be 1 week long, where we will be offering you maths and science subject along with the personal teacher. If you have any doubts, simply connect with the mentor teacher on their personal numbers, and they will be, connecting with you, clearing your doubts on Zoom, WhatsApp call, WhatsApp video call, whichever medium you like. And also we will be providing you homework on the app and test on the app itself. So why these tests and homework are provided? So that we can know that how much you are able to retain from our classes. On the basis of that, we will be preparing your progress report, and that will be shown to your parents. We will be also providing you with the modules and ebooks so that your kids can practice what all we are teaching in the class at home, so that they have the better idea that they have learned properly or not, and they can come up with their own doubts and ask the mentor teacher and the master teacher during the live classes. So, kids, if you all liked our course features, so there is one link in the description box. Fast click on that link and get enrolled in our crash course program at the price of 29, 49, or 99 according to your grade. So hurry up as very limited seats are there. The link is in the description box. Make sure that you all are enrolling. Once you click on the link will direct you to the enroll now option. Once you click on enroll now, then click on pay now and complete the payment process with whichever medium you like, either Paytm, UPI, debit card, credit card. All the facilities are available. You can try it right now as well. And also, kids, we believe in rewarding the kids. So if you are joining our platform, you will get the chance to earn lot of ODA coins. Now, what are these ODA coins that you will get to know once you join our platform? And all these coins are redeemable. All the coins can be redeemed at our ODA mall to purchase various goodies like smart water bottle, smart watch, smart soundbar, and smartphone. So at such young age, you all can purchase your favorite goodies by your own money. And also, kids, if you liked all the features, my class and everything, so make sure that you all are joining the ODA class. And also, don't forget to, like and share my video as well as subscribe our channel. All right, kids, meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye all of you. Bye bye.